This is a labor of love. These pecan sticky buns are swimming in a pool of pecan caramel and bursting with brown sugar and cinnamon. Fresh out of the oven, they're as close to heaven as you can get. Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and today we're making pecan sticky buns. And this recipe is in my cookbook, Lakeside Table Sauces. And if you want to get your copy, you can click on the link or just go to lakesidetable.com. Now, I have to tell you, these sticky buns are the bomb. They are amazing, and they should be, because they take forever to make. And I'm serious, they take for freaking ever to make. But they're worth it, and you're gonna love it. Get your ingredients together for the dough, the filling, and the pecan caramel. Yep, it's a lot, and it's still worth it. First, prove your yeast isn't dead. Mix 1 tablespoon instant yeast with a ½ cup warm milk and a pinch of brown sugar. In about 5 minutes, your yeast should look like this. If nothing has happened, your yeast is dead and you need new yeast. Next, start making the dough by whisking together the eggs, brown sugar, ½ cup milk, cinnamon, yeast mixture, and melted butter. Wait 5 minutes for the yeast to bubble. Then stir in the salt and flour with a wooden spoon until a loose dough ball forms. Turn the dough onto a floured surface and knead it for 2 minutes until it becomes a smooth ball. It should be pretty soft. Return the dough to a clean bowl, cover with plastic wrap, and let it rise until it doubles in size. This can take 2 to 4 hours depending on how warm the room is. While the dough is rising, go ahead and make your filling. Mix together 1½ cups brown sugar, 2 tablespoons cinnamon, 4 tablespoons melted unsalted butter, and a ½ teaspoon kosher salt. Okay, so go ahead and put your filling aside while your dough is rising, and then come on over and we'll get a jump start on our pecan caramel sauce. Melt 8 tablespoons unsalted butter over medium heat. Then stir in 1½ cups brown sugar, and when the sugar is completely dissolved and bubbling, turn off the heat and whisk in a ½ cup heavy cream. Two cups toasted pecans, and a ½ teaspoon kosher salt. Pour the caramel into a 9x13 buttered casserole dish and set it aside until your dough is ready. Punch the dough down and turn it out onto a floured surface. Roll it out to a rectangle 18 inches wide by 12 inches long. Smooth the filling over the dough evenly to the edges. Roll the dough towards you. Pinch the seam closed and turn the dough so the seam is down. Cut the dough into 12 even wheels. Nestle the rolls into the pecan caramel sauce. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it rise at room temperature until it's double in size, about 1 to 2 hours. Okay, when I make these for my family, I usually do them right up until this point before this rise. And then I'll cover them with saran wrap and put them in the refrigerator. And then, like, if I was gonna make these tomorrow morning, I would pull them out an hour or 2 before I was ready to bake them and let it rise then, and then pop them in the oven. So these guys, you can either let them rise now, pop them in the oven, or refrigerate them overnight and then pull them out, let them rise to go in the oven. So before you put your sticky buns into the oven, they should look like this. They should be puffy and snuggled tightly together. And then you can put them into the oven at 350 degrees for a ½ an hour. Okay. and all your time, effort, and hard work has paid off. Check this out. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness. Hot, ooey, gooey cinnamon buns. Oh my gosh, this is so good. All right, so you can serve them straight from this, or you can turn them out onto a plate. We're gonna give this a go, see how this works. This is either gonna be really great or it's gonna be a hot mess. I told this was a lot of work. All right, are you ready? Here we go. Ooh, whoa, check that out. Oh my God, is that awesome or what? Oh man, here, let's check this out. Oh, this is payoff right here. That's a lot of freaking work, but oh baby, is it pretty amazing. All right, let's get in here and see how we did. I hope it's cool enough. Only burned myself a few times. Oh my God. Oh, they're so soft. The pecans, oh, I need some milk. Milk and this together, heaven. You're gonna love these. You are so gonna love these. Now, if you went to print this out, this recipe out, head over to my Lakeside Table blog, lakesidetable.com. Go ahead, get yourself a cookbook, one for yourself, all your friends, and then come on back for a few more videos, and I will see you soon. I'm just gonna lose myself in cinnamon and brown sugar and butter, so you'll have to excuse me. Bye guys, I'll see you soon.